What's up guys, it's the Fixbroz. Welcome back to another video. Today is just going to be a quick recap of what's going on with the Civic. So right now we're sanding it and buffing it. All that's left is to buff the bumper. We buffed these doors. I buffed the trunk. Now there's one thing to tell you guys. So if you wet sanded the car and it turns hot like in the daytime, you can't buff because this is what will happen. So we just buffed this yesterday when it was hot. And it's still matte. Not sure if you can see it, but see that? It's still matte and doesn't look really good. But the back, the trunk, we did it really early in the morning today, and check this out. It turned out so good. I'm so happy with it. No orange peel at all because I took a long time sanding it. So check out that shine. Just finished sanding and buffing this rear bumper. And as I said, the front bumper, we're going to need to buff that. Now one more thing, if you guys are not following us on Instagram, go ahead and follow us. The link is in the description because we post what's going on while we're not posting videos. So sometimes we don't even post the video and post it on Instagram. So make sure you're following us on Instagram. And also I want to give a shout out to Crossroads Rebuild. He has a really good channel. He makes really good videos about rebuild projects. He just finished rebuilding a Ford Focus, I think. So yeah, definitely go subscribe to him if you're not already subscribed. So please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, press the subscribe button right over here. Click that notification bell. Go buy our merch. The link is in the description. And we'll see you guys next time.